How to fix Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows? First step, turn off fast startup, open run, type the following text, powercfg.cpl, click OK, select choose what the power button do, click it, click change settings, disable turn on fast startup, disable it. If it's enabled means you need to disable it and click save changes in the bottom side. Next step, reset network settings, search for CMD, right click, click run as administrator and type the following text, netsh space winsock space reset, click enter. Next command, netsh space int space IP space reset, click enter. The next command, ipconfig space /plus DNS, click enter. Next command, ipconfig space /release, click enter. Next command, ipconfig space /renew, click enter. Lost, exit it. Next step, change Wi-Fi adapter settings, open device manager, click it, click network adapters, right click the Wi-Fi adapter and click properties, click advanced, click preferred band, depends on you, you can set the band. Once setting complete, after move on with next option, click it and set it, depends on you, and click the transmit power level and set it as highest. After setting the option, click OK in the bottom side and you need to restart your device. Once the restart complete, after you can check it, if the problem still remains, the next step, right click the Wi-Fi adapters, right click it and click update drivers. Once the update complete, after close it, restart your device. Thank you.